Hey, you been feeling a little disempowered lately? Something like, the magic has just been drained out of you. You can't manifest diddly squat. This is on purpose, And what I have for you is something unique and special. You get to return to your magic, the magic that you were born with, the magic you came into this world with. All you need to do is begin to reassociate back into that magic, and then you start creating that magic in the world. I'm Dr. DwaineHartman The Trance Alchemist, and for over 20 years I've been helping people transform their life, to morph their reality, to jump timelines, to step through into other dimensions. I know how this works, and I can share and teach with you. So I'm offering you a 4-week workshop where we get to discover you and the power of you. So bring your friends, let's get it done, and let's turn this world around, one person at a time. Look for the link in the first comment.